Hello guys, so today we're gonna do a tutorial about transparent background. So basically what people want to do is like type something and we want to see transparent and add it to the pictures or something like that. It's really easy to do. Always check if your background is white. If your background is white, you can always press share, download it. Okay, you have to have Canva Premium, but apart that, it's really cheap and doesn't cost so much. And if you don't have it, you cannot do it. But if you have it, it's really easy to do. Just press transparent, select PNG, and download it. After it's finishing downloading, you just go to uploads and you can see like here it's gonna be completely transparent. Like, okay, let's change color to the background to blue. And as you can see, if I add a text, it's gonna be transparent. Second thing, it's really important. You can now remove backgrounds from your previous pictures and stuff like that. So let's see, let's use elements and some photos. Okay, let's choose this man and let's see pictures, just pictures. Okay, let's choose some animal or something. Okay, let's choose photos and let's choose this tiger. So what can you do? You just select the picture. You can even set image as background. You can press edit image and background removal. You press it and it automatically removes background. Also, again, if you press share, you press download it, select PNG, select transparent background, and you press download it, and you will have picture without background, which later on you can add to your design. Okay, let's choose for example, I don't know, this one. Let's remove this guy and let's add our tiger. Upload the file, upload the tiger, we'll upload it. And now, as you can see, we can add a tiger without background. So that's really useful trick and easy to do it with AI. Really awesome. So